Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is easy slow major blues guitar riff. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this one because it's easy, but it ain't easy. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. So, that's how it will sound. It's really cool. Yeah. And so on. It's really cool. As I already said, it's easy, but it ain't easy. I mean, the thing is quite easy, but you probably, if you follow me a longer time, you know that I like to make things easy, but it gives you a lot of opportunity for your personal expression in tone and in mood. And by the way, this is the color orange here, even it's a blues, for those who see colors and music at the same time. So let's check this out, this really cool riff. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this one here. When it comes to sound, this is just a regular Fender Deluxe amp with the gain like on 5 and some spring reverb. That's it, and the rest is happening here on the fretboard. And the thing is, it's a blues in E major. So we're playing this little figure here, and I'm playing it with finger picking. Gives him a better touch for the strings, but of course you can do the same with a pick. It's not really a must, but you know, but I'm gonna play with finger picking. Anyhow, so we're playing a really easy figure. We're playing an E5. So 0, 2, 0, we just make an E5, make a let ring. And now we go here on the 4th fret, in the 6th, and back. And the main thing what I'm doing here, to make it sound smooth and really bluesy and laid back, I do the whole thing as legato. So till here I attack the strings. This one is hammer on, slide up, pull off, or slide back, you know, see, slide back, and this pull off. So the first 3 strings are attacked. If that's too hard for you, of course you can do, it's another way of expression. You can make it, you know, you can build up a whole thing by, you know, making it smooth. Oops. Or playing the same thing, but now you're attacking all strings or giving more gain. And now you're attacking all of the notes. That's upon to you. As I already said, making things easy doesn't mean they're easy. You can have a lot of opportunities to shape your sound and to make it your personal thing. So now we have, so this represents E major, and then we go on A major, 5th fret, 4th fret, slide in. And since we have some time, we can also make vibrato on the chord. The whole thing is played in 8 notes, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. So you can make a really cool thing just with this simple riff. But now we want to have a few little variations on it to make them a little bit more interesting. So the first we play like this. The second we open up. We're doing the same movement again. But now we're sliding up and then opening up here in the E chord. And if you do it properly, you hear the effect at the end of the chord. That is created by pressing against the guitar and gives kind of a chorus effect and pulling away the chord. Instead of you hear the difference if I don't do this. See, the effect is not here. Oops. Oh, now we resolve this whole thing. Instead of A, we do this A. Now we make an open A string, 7th fret, 6th fret, open B string. And we do the same effect again. We press against the body of the guitar and pull a little bit back to make this effect. Okay? And then we play the first figure again. So let's play the 2 figures in one row. Oh, well, let me count with it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3. And now at the third, on count 4, we just slide up. In this case, I just slide it up without attacking the strings. That's quite a challenge, but it sounds way more smooth than 1 and 2, 3, 4. You can also play it if you want, but it's cooler. 1, 2, 3. Sounds way more smooth. And sorry for the mistakes today. I'm running around since 6 a.m. in the morning. And now it's 4 p.m. and that's not the regular workflow which I have, where I'm having enough sleep, and you know what I mean. This is a bit in a rush today. And then we end up quarter tone bending on fret 3 and then to E5. Oh, by the way, you can avoid me rushing around all the time by making a premium membership. Yo. So, I'm going to play the whole thing now with the backing track which I created here. Drum and bass. And the guitar is recorded to have you a guiding line. So, 2, 3, 4. Isn't this thing cool? Now if you want to carry a tune with this easy slow major blues guitar riff, I had the volume now on 75% here. Now to give it more grip, now I can use the little changements in the expression to shape the tone and build up the tension by still playing the same thing. Now I was playing it a little bit laid back. And in the second row, I'm gonna play it more in front. I'm gonna show you. So I put up the volume, and now I don't do so many slides and so many vibrators, and give it a more interesting touch. I made it more aggressive, and this way you can build up. You start from laid back to pull it to an extreme and go back to laid back. That will be the main idea, to build up a tune upon a really simple thing which you're doing, and that's the method which most guys out there are doing who sound great. Having a simple idea and building it up and letting your guitar speak and sing. That's the main thing which we want, especially in blues. That's really important, and that's why I've selected really simple sound. But you can also, as an example, if you own a panner, the whole thing, or maybe also an analog delay. Now let's do the panner. You have the same thing, other vibe. Also sounds cool, you know. Or with the delay. So you can select what kind of vibe and expression you want and how you want to shape the tone. Yo guys, that was the easy, slow, major blues guitar riff. If you want to download this cool backing track plus the tabs of the riff, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. And there you can really practice the whole thing. And the main thing to get this thing sounding is that you get it into your guts. So you need to play along with it, and it makes more sense to have some fun with the backing track, of course. But of course you can also record yourself and work like this. It's, you know, it's upon to you. But with a premium membership, you would support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing for the guitar community. One more to say, I'm gonna do something about the lead guitar possibilities on this one. So please subscribe to my channel and come back for the later tutorial. For today it's enough for you guys. Have some fun and see you guys.